welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you all how to do CTM. That's cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So let's get started. So the first step of CTM is cleansing. There are cleansing milks, cleansing oils, cleansing lotions and whatnot in the market. But guys, trust me, it hasn't really worked for me. I've tried using cleansing oils, milks, lotions, everything possible and nothing really helped me. So I'm just using a normal face wash and it's doing wonderful job for me. So currently I'm using this vitamin C from Body Shop. I have a very oily T-zone, so this is a great product for people with oily skin, combination skin and all that. It actually gives you a nice glow on the face and I really love that product. This is already my second or third purchase. I don't know, for some reason I felt it has suited my skin and I'm not changing the product. And there's one more face wash I use. So whenever there are times, right, when you find your skin a little sensitive and maybe you're getting an acne or something, so that's when I use this product. It's tea tree skin clearing facial wash, again from Body Shop. So what I usually do is I use one of the face washes in the morning and one I use it with my night routine. So that way I'm trying to finish both of them. I love both the products, so I always keep stock of both of them. So I've already given my face a nice wash using my vitamin C range from Body Shop. So the next step of my CTM routine is toning. So this is the toner I feel would, okay, can you see? It's from Kaya Pore Minimizing Toner. So this toner is suitable for all skin types, especially sensitive skin. It's very light and it's not too fragrant, so I don't think so it will do harm for any sort of skin type, but it's a great product. I mean, it's not like I've seen significant changes using this product, but yes, it's really suited my skin and I'm using this. And I also use one more toner, so whenever I tend to tan and all, I want to use something that helps me reduce pigmentation. So that is another toner from Dega. It's a lemon mist. It comes with a spray, it comes with a nozzle, so you just have to use it directly onto your skin. You can just spritz it on your skin and you're set. But right now I'm using Kaya, so for that take a cotton pad. Just 2 pumps of toner would be sufficient. Don't overuse the product just because you have, if anybody especially is beginner into a routine, they'll go all excited, oh, I have that, let me use more of that, let me use. No, use everything in moderation always, and never, and also always give one day break from all the routine. Let your skin breathe, just whatever is in the air. So don't layer a lot of products onto your skin. So I've taken the toner on my cotton pad, just giving a gentle wipe all across my face. Don't be harsh on your skin with whatever it is. Never be harsh on your skin, because the skin on your face is extremely gentle, so you be even more gentle. So that's it. So I don't see any dirt, but usually when you go out in come, so since it's almost though lockdown is not there, since I'm working from home and all that, I stay at home, so there's not a lot of impurities on my face. Otherwise, whenever I go out and come, I can actually see all the impurities coming off when I use this toner. So it's a great toner. So once I'm done with toning, the next step is moisturization. But before moisturizing, I always use a serum. So currently I'm using this Drop of Light serum from Body Shop. It says it helps in brightening your skin, and I think it's doing its job. So I would recommend this product. I really like this product. And there's one more serum I'm using. It's beautifying serum from Dega. So since I'm at home, I'm using this product because if I'm exposing my skin in the sunlight, I would not use this in the mornings. So use this in the evenings if you're going out, and this can be used in the mornings. So all that you have to do is, I think this is almost coming to an end, but since I'm using this as my routine right now, I'll be showing you with this serum itself. So this comes with uh, tube like this. Just take one drop on your face, just a drop would do, and never rub a serum. Never rub. Always just pat dry onto your skin. So just tap your skin like that. And after toner, just give it about 30 seconds before you apply a serum. Whenever you're applying a product onto your face, never just layer it up on top of another. Always give it some time so that your skin can absorb the product. So just pat it all over the face. Never drag it or massage it and all that. It's absolutely wrong. It will break down the components of your serum. So just pat it into your skin. Let your skin absorb all of that. So when I'm done, so just give it another like 30 seconds to a minute. So let the components in the serum and everything get absorbed onto your skin. So now all the serum is absorbed into my skin. Let's go for the next step of the CTM, that's moisturizer. Guys, moisturizing is absolutely essential whenever you follow a routine. Even if you're not applying serum, never ever skip moisturizer. Moisturizing your skin is very essential whenever you use any product. Even if you're not using a toner or a serum, even if you give your face a nice wash, please apply a little bit of moisturizer at least, so that your pores are not open and it doesn't take in all the bacteria and all give you breakouts. So that's a big no-no. So always use a moisturizer. So the third step of CTM is moisturization. uh, this is one of the moisturizer. I don't really use it as a moisturizer. It's a hydrating mist. I use it on top of the moisturizer, but if anybody has like very oily skin, you can just use this. But since I have combination sort of skin, only my T-zone is oily, but my cheeks and chin are usually dry, so I usually pack my face with a lot of moisturizer. And then if I still feel I need extra hydration to my skin, only then I use that. So currently I'm using Cetaphil. Not currently, I think most of the time I use this. So this is the moisturizer I use. Just take one good scoop of the moisturizer, gently apply all over the face. I don't, since I've already applied a serum, I don't want to rub my face too much. So even the moisturizer, I just keep tapping it onto my skin and let my skin absorb everything. I don't like to massage too much so that the components of the serum doesn't break. So I always do this. So one more thing I wanted to talk about serum, guys, I completely forgot, is that certain serums come in a dark bottle like this. So whenever it comes in a dark bottle like this, please avoid it from sunlight. You know, that's the whole point. They pack it in a dark bottle so that certain constituents tend to break when it is exposed to light. So don't let it happen. Then I don't think so there'll be a point if you use the serum or not, if the constituents are not how it's supposed to be. So never keep it under sunlight, be it whatever serum, especially that comes in a dark bottle. So I've applied my moisturizer now. It's a little oily since my face is dry, like I said, on my cheeks and chin especially. I like to leave it like this. So once it absorbs slightly, and I think this is actually CTM, you'll be done with this, but if at all you're stepping out, never ever forget a sunscreen. So this is the sunscreen I'm using and this. So I'm between both of them. Both of them are SPF 50. This is Lotus Safe Sun and this is from FaceGuard from Abbott. So both of them have a matte finish. So since I use a heavy moisturizer onto my skin, it sort of leaves my skin a little oily. So I use the sunscreen lotion. Though I am at home, I tend to use sunscreen because of all the night routine I'm doing, a chemical exfoliation, which I'll be making a video really soon for you guys. So again, just give it a tap on your face. I don't know, I don't like rubbing things on my face, so I always pat everything so that skin absorbs everything. I hope you can see the difference how oily my face used to look just before I apply the sunscreen. This has a matte effect, so it will mattify your skin and it's not oily anymore. And never forget to apply sunscreen onto your neck as well, because your neck also tends to tan, right? So that's about CTM. So every day this is my routine. It is not as long as I showed you guys now. It will just 5 minutes you'll get done with it, because I kept talking and I kept showing you all the products. It took such a long time. Otherwise, it's just a 5 minutes routine, guys. I definitely recommend everybody should do it. It's very essential to take care of our skin, right? So that's about it. And there's one more moisturizer I actually again forgot to tell. It's from Indulgio. I've broken the cap. So this is Indulgio Aqua Gold 24K. Okay, 24K Gold Premium Moisturizer Gel. So this is again a great product for people with oily skin. I would not recommend Cetaphil because it is little heavy and it will make your skin more oily. So for people with already oily skin, this is a wonderful product. I love this product, and there are days when, because in the nights I might go a little overboard on the moisturizer, and in the mornings my face still feels oily. So those days I use this moisturizer. So with that, we're done with CTM. I hope you guys like this video. Please share and subscribe, and also take care of your skin, guys. It's very important. And do follow CTM every morning and night religiously, and you'll thank me one day. Okay, bye.